I already told you guys about the Sew Over It penny dress that I made for StyleMaker Fabrics Sew Expo booth this year, and today I'm here to show you and talk about this super cute bag I also made to be put on display at the show. For projects that are put on display, Michelle, one of the owners, always picks the patterns and fabrics. Her booth has a distinct theme every year, and so it's really a bigger vision than just one item or garment. So when she asks me to help her sew for the show, I really never know what I'm going to get. This year, when I opened the package from her, I gasped at this gorgeous canvas. She knows I love this colorway so much and florals, so this is truly a no-brainer for me. I have so many clothes that the colors of this bag match already, so it will fit into my wardrobe seamlessly. The fabric itself is a cotton linen canvas blend. The background is cream while the flowers are burgundy, fuchsia, and red. The pattern calls for piping for the bag, so she sent along a perfectly coordinating cotton for that, and the bag lining is a super fun pop of pink. I chose my own zipper from the bag zipper stash I got from Zipper Stop. This goldish yellow zipper calls out the little bit of yellow, green, gold in the main fabric. I just love that pop. And to get the bag so structured, a combo of mid-weight interfacing and soft and stable foam interfacing is used. The foam headliner is truly the best way to have your bags looking professional and not floppy or saggy in any way. The pattern was pretty straightforward. I loved it because most of the pattern pieces are printed for you and included with the instruction booklet, but I do have one critique. The pattern pieces are not clearly labeled as to which are lining pieces and which are main fabric pieces. So for example, the inside of the outer pockets was supposed to be sewn in lining fabric, but the pattern piece didn't indicate that, so I cut it from the main fabric. Now that I have a prototype made though, I can go through and clearly mark them myself, but I wish I didn't have to do that. Adding the piping is definitely an advanced technique since the bag has such a pronounced curve along the bottom edge. It took many passes for me to get the stitches so close, but I persevered and humble brag, I prevailed. The piping looks so good. Other than those few things, the bag came together really easily. It would be super simple to add an adjustable strap if I ever wanted to make a crossbody version, but the length of the strap as designed is really cute over the shoulder. There is a larger version of this bag that's included with the pattern. I might add that to my list if I come across another canvas or bag fabric that I love. I do love the deep outer pockets and the roomy interior of this small one though. I can only imagine how much better the large version is. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my bag as much as I do, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!